Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mubin, and in this video I have got the Ayodhya verdict for you all. So the verdict came today around 10:30, and it says that the possession of the Ayodhya land, the disputed land, would be with the center, and the land would be going to the Hindu brothers, and the trust would be constructing the temple there. And for the Muslim brothers, there would be another, that is an alternative land provided, and the Waqf board will be taking care of the construction of the mosque there. And there is a deadline of 3 months given for the scheme to be framed or the scheme to be implemented. There are few tweets there that says like the Supreme Court has paved a way of making the either case, closing the case, and closing the most volatile conflicts, a balanced approach by the Supreme Court, and land given to Waqf board, alternate piece of land, and the disputed land would be going for the construction of Ram Mandir, Ram Temple. Yeah, that is the update. The team of 5 judges who delivered the verdict are like, the first would be the CGI Ranjan Gogoi, Justice S.A. Bobde, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice Ashok Bhushan, and Justice Abdul Nazir. And the verdict is out. It is most welcome by all the communities. There would be a lot of negative comments as well, a lot of positive comments as well. But we hope this would be the end of the conflict between our brothers. Would be happy now. We'll be together. Everybody would be happy after the verdict. Everybody gets some part of what they wanted. Cool. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Have a peaceful stay with your family. Stay safe. Stay happy. Take care. Bye bye.